Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Don't really know what the topic of this one is. I just haven't posted in like 5 days, which is not normal for me on YouTube. And I felt like, I just wanted to talk to you guys, let you know what's up, what to be expecting from me in the future, and kind of what's going on in my life right now. So I'm literally just sitting out here in my little porch area, which is kind of fun. My flight is 8 days away. So really crunch time there, and I'm really just trying to spend a lot of time with my family right now in Connecticut. All my sisters are here, my mom's here, my uncles are here, and me and Lindsay, um, you know, she's a YouTuber as well, my girlfriend. If you guys haven't checked her channel out yet, you just look up Dirt Naturals, DIRT Naturals. Um, Clean skincare channel. Awesome, really proud of her. She's doing entrepreneur stuff just like me. We're both really following our passion right now, and just wanted to update you guys kind of what's going on right now. So we broke 6,000 subs, which is incredible. Really, really cool. I think we're at like 6,200 now, actually. That's awesome. I have so much product research tips in, like tutorial videos where I'm in the computer showing you guys stuff coming up. I'm on the hunt for my 5th Amazon FBA product right now. My 2 that I have right now are going super well, and it's so good to see that. Like, it's one thing when you're choosing a product idea, but then to actually see a product selling before your eyes and like needing to reorder and like scaling up your PPC spend to, get more sales. Really exciting. Page 105 is going great. Have videos coming about that. April's gonna be a weird month for me, so stick around. This would be a great month for you guys to go peel back through a lot of my older content and run through the course if you haven't already. It's going to be a lot more vlog style month because of the fact that I just literally don't even have any of my computer equipment. So like doing, the tutorial videos on my laptop is really awkward. Just the software is not right, blah, blah, blah. I mean, I can make 1,000 excuses at the end of the day, but really all I've been doing lately is I've been meditating a lot. I've been reading a majority of my day, drinking a lot of green tea, and spending a lot of time with my family. So that's kind of going to be the next couple of weeks. Really just trying to scale up, and not to get super philosophical here, but try and, I've been making a lot of money lately from my online businesses. My Amazon products are doing super well. And, I have 2 running right now, not even 1. Like I literally have 2 selling really well. And of course I make a little bit of money from the YouTube channel, which is just going back into Amazon, but I can make as much as I want, and that never equals happiness for me. So I've been, instead of looking externally, looking at cars, looking, all these typical things that you see people that are young making a lot of money looking at, I've excluded all of those. Those are not me, and those can never bring, joy. And I've been, meditating really deeply. I've been investing in myself, not in the terms of investing in my self-image, but literally in my own self. Doing a lot of deep thinking, and I'm just literally just trying to tell you guys what I'm up to right now. But yeah, I've been very happy lately. I've been meditating is a funny thing, because at first you don't really know what the hell you're doing, but after a while you get your breathing patterns down, and you could spend, like, I've sat in one place just kind of like this. You can't see me, but I'm sitting, crisscrossed, like a lotus, and sit like for like 2 or 3 hours sometimes, and come back up to, me and Lindsay's room, and she's just like, "Where have you been? Like, what are you doing down there?" And I was just like, "He was just meditating," and just like a ton of time flies by, you don't even realize it. But yeah, I've been, really putting myself in a great position, and I'm so excited to grow with all of you guys. And this is obviously a super financial based channel, so it's kind of my outlet to talk about money. I look at making money as like a big game. Some people take it way too seriously, but really it's just like the money means very little. You'll make more and more if you follow my course and follow what I'm telling you to do. It ends up meaning very little, and what means a ton is what it allows you to do, right? The fact that I don't have to go work for anyone is like one of the biggest achievements of my life. Being able to pick up all my stuff, move wherever I want, experience the life how I want it. I've kind of stopped asking what and why, and just kind of how. How do I want to live is the question. And I'm getting a pretty good idea of that. So this is, I've been talking for 5 minutes now. I'm probably going to end it now. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see from me, and one thing that I said in this video that you liked. I want some positive comments down below. Just want to hear from you guys. I have several hundred new subscribers, so if this is your first time talking to me, just kind of opening up a little bit here, letting you know what's going on, why I haven't been around. Grinding at a YouTube channel takes a lot of energy to come up with a new subject every day, and then to be able to portray it in a way that is valuable to you is not always super easy. So occasionally, I'll go 3 months of posting every day, and then you'll see me fall off the grid for 3 or 4 days, 4 or 5 days a week, whatever. I'm never going to disappear. I'm here for the long haul, and I'm just trying to create more and more valuable content for you guys. So that's what I'm doing. If you ever see me, if I don't post for a couple days, I'm just taking a breath of fresh air, it's a tongue twister, coming back with even better, fresher content for you guys. So don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I know, like, I put a post out on YouTube community today, and I was like, hey guys, took a little break. Sometimes that's necessary to keep the content valuable and fresh. I'll be back today. A bunch of people were saying, like, hey, missed you, where have you been, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, this is just a little update vlog for you guys. As soon as I get settled into my new apartment, I'll be back on schedule with live streams, tutorials, scaling this year. By then I'll have my 5th product launched. Crazy. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments one thing that I said that you liked, or what have you guys been up to lately? Love to hear what's going on in your guys' lives. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.